Are you hoarding all of the websites and blogs you like to follow with a private RSS feed? Do you know what an RSS feed is? Do you know what Vore is? You don't need to know what that last part is, by the way. Anyway, so I made some video that had Mike Tyson's ass in it a while ago. Featured a bunch of independent websites, blogs, and stuff. And you know what? You're gonna need to know how to use RSS if you're gonna survive in the modern web ecosystem. And if you want to shake off Twitter, because Twitter sucks, social media sucks, all of it sucks. I think Fred Durst once said, "Everybody sucks." Something rhyme. That sounds like Limp Bizkit to me. Anyway, this is Meer. I talked about it before, but now I really want to talk about it because it's really important, okay? Look at this. This is my RSS feed. So I follow all these blogs. They give me updates, and anytime the blog is updated, I get like a little RSS thingy on here. So you can too. You can go over to Meer, mire.meadow.cafe/u/Steve to check out my public RSS feeds. So check it out. It's how I found out David Lynch died. It's a weird way to find that out, but there's also classics like I've decided not to have sex with my bike anymore. No more ass pain. Actually, Booger Diary is pretty awesome. You should listen to it. You should really just go through all these. They're pretty great. I mean, look at these titles. And then there's baby lambs in my feed. Do you have baby lambs on Twitter? Thank you, Nicole. These are awesome. These are like literally the cutest. Look at this. This is freshly born lamb. They don't get cuter than this. They only get less cute. No, that's a lie. Anyway, more cute lambs. Thank you. Yeah, he's malding. Elon is literally malding right now, okay? I don't know what malding means. I heard it on the internet, but it sounds pretty bad, and that's totally what he's doing. So, this is the post that inspired me from Elmcat. Dynamic Blogroll for Bear Blog and other sites. So, there's like this Discord thing they post here, which is like which is why my favorite social media is and sidebar. So just a random person's blog with Dungeons and Dragons. They have like a recommended blog list, a Blogroll. And you know what? That Blogroll, it's a good way to get new info, okay? You can totally check out mine. Or make your own. And this all started with Vore.website, okay? The OG. So you can go to Vore.website, make an account, throw in your RSS subscription thingies here. So it's usually the site name /feed, but it varies sometimes. All made by Jess, and seems like a cool person. You know, really nice they made this. I appreciate it. And right there, you go to your settings on here, get their your public homepage link. So if you go to Vore.website /different you get the Vore version of my stuff, which is Meer only shows like 300 posts. This one's gonna show all of them, including these right here, tagged with published over 100 years ago. Thanks for that. But yeah, really cool stuff. That's how I keep up with my things now, because I can just go to my work computer and I can type in Vore.website /different and check out my stuff. You know, I can keep up to date at work. Anywhere. Don't have to download an RSS program, anything like that. There's a whole about page about Meer, by the way. I went over it in the last video, but yeah, they got the public Codeberg Git repo for Meer. Vore's source code's also available, so you know, if you wanted to self-host, you could. But me, I'm not really a self-hoster. I'm more of a piggybacking on the kindest of others. So please keep this service up. I'm so sorry. Thank you for doing this as a public service. And then, yeah, if you ever need to back stuff up, you can always just copy it to like a text file and be like, I'll just subscribe in another application. But I like that this is a thing. Thank you, Meadow. And thank you, Jess. Oh yeah, Meadow has like a few extra features in Meer. Like, I get a public Blogroll too. This is a fancy word for here's a list of all the blogs I'm subbed to. Then we get the number of posts. I have it set to 300. And then I turned off this number of unread posts set to 0. It's not my favorite setting. I get where it makes sense. Anyway, there's my subscriptions. You just paste them into this. Like, you go here, yeah, and then you subscribe, okay? You hit the subscribe, because all these, like, Bear blog pages, for the most part, you go over here, you go to the main part of it. Even if there's not, like, a link on the page that says RSS, you can just go up here in the top, and name of the blog, /feed, hit enter, and you get all this like random stuff here. But you just grab the address right here, copy, paste it in, and boom, you're set. So, by the way, you should totally have a Bear blog, or some kind of independent blog, maybe your own static site, something cool, okay? Because look, here's Delbert. Does your website have Delbert? That's what I thought. Anyway, check out those Bear blog docs, because that exists. If you need to know how to do things on the internet, they've got things on the internet to show you how to do things on the internet. Melonland.net. I don't know where to fit this in, but this is an amazing website. Same for melonking.net. Just go there and take a good deep dive, okay? They got Tamagotchis, not Tamagotchis. They got zines. They got guides. And they have a forum that closes every Monday. Like, you can't post here on Monday, okay? I don't make the rules. Oh yeah, melonland.net also has 143 owls. Let's take a look at these 143 owls. I want to inspect them. Oh, I see that. Small boy. Right there. Small boy alert. Small boy alert. Shiny. That one's rare. Oh no. Ate too many carrots and became Big Chungus. Thank you, Big Chungus Owl. And yep, cool page. That exists. And then, yeah, check out the Bear blog discovery page. But you know what? If you got a feed, give me that feed, okay? Give me that blog. I want to add more stuff to my feed. I got this cool blog section over on my blog, sr.bearblog.dev. So yeah, sr.bearblog.dev. And I have a web ring that I don't use. It exists, but I really, really want to add people to the cool blog section because, I don't know, I feel like this could be useful. Like, if you have a web ring, you should probably have like a public RSS. Public RSSs just seem like kind of the way, because people want to scroll, but they don't want to have to sign into stuff. I don't want to sign into stuff. So, check it out. Consider doing some Vore.